Welcome to the Shreeji Group of Companies. Shreeji Group of Companies is a renowned name in processing, manufacturing, and exporting of agricultural products based in India. We have wide experience in the cultivation and process of agricultural products, which are processed in our state-of-the-art production facility, equipped with modern technology and developed as per international food safety guidelines. The operation of our all group of companies is handled from the western part of India, Gujarat at Mahuva, Una, and commercial activities are operated from Ahmedabad, which is the commercial capital of Gujarat. We deal in versatile agri commodities. Private labeling is one of the services offered by our company, allowing clients to brand products as their own. We pass by the impressive buildings of our group companies, Shreeji Protein, Shreeji Nut Butter, Shreeji Oil and Fats, Shreeji Dehydrated Export, IFS Technology. Each factory represents the expertise and dedication of our specialized companies, contributing to the vast array of agri-commodities we offer. Our group companies hold prestigious certifications that include ISO 22000:2018, US FDA, BRC, FSSAI. Additionally, we are recognized as a star export house approved by the Government of India. Throughout the Shreeji Group of Companies, the shared values of quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction resonate. Here are some of the diverse agri-commodities offered by Shreeji Group of Companies. Join us on this journey of growth and goodness as we continue to serve with utmost dedication and pride. Shreeji Group of Companies, cultivating excellence together.